Good morning, happy Tuesday. Stumps. Quite a few, I think, on this one. A lot of big pines. It's in Lakewood. It's my only stop for the day. Pretty good money on it, I think. From what I can tell, I think it's fair for everybody. So that's where we're heading. I gotta go and drop off our ballots for election day, with a bunch of state and county stuff today. So we are voting to protect our water and to stop high density building in the country. There's no point, there's no need, beat it. All the developers trying to turn our ranch land into condos gotta go away. Personal opinion, obviously. Yeah, so gotta go drop off ballots and then heading into town. Should be a nice little day. It's supposed to be warm. It's supposed to be pretty dry. Maybe some rain this afternoon, but we'll see. What are you guys doing? Everything good? We're like into summer now. Summer was the other day, the first official day. Loving it. And I don't like seeing I would take 32 over 102. No thank you. I want 100. 32 is that's not for me. I'll see you in a bit, heading into Lakewood later. Take a look at this one. There's a little apple or something over there. Probably just drive over the bushes. They're gonna come out. Most of the action is in the backyard. So those three, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna probably use ramps and just drive up that low point in the wall. Pretty simple. All rock everywhere. That little guy, I'll just drive up that way. And those three. So, kind of casual. Just ran out of saw chains for this one. Oh well. This one has power under it. Of course. So, I'm gonna throw some new teeth on to grind in these rocks and then get after it. I'm not scared to put new teeth on because New River teeth, they'll wear out a little bit from rocks, but it's not like some other ones that wear out instantly. I'll grind all these stumps today, rocks on every single one of them, and run them for another couple days. Unless I hit some steel. Rock and roll.
nice little day. It was 100 something, 101, 102 on the truck. So probably not quite 100, but good day. Picked up new boots, new work boots. I'm trying something different. I've been running Red Wing Tradesman boas for like 6 years, but I replace them like every 4 to 5, maybe 6 months. So I'm trying something new. Ariat Workhog XT 8-inch boa, waterproof, carbon boa. I love boas, the little lacing system. I love that. So we're trying something new. I'll report back. I don't know why I make a big deal about boots, but I wear them a lot, so I want to be good and comfortable and happy. So we're switched over. We're doing skid steer stuff tomorrow. Hang in there. Doing the skid steer stuff. We're gonna reshape some ditches, dig up some volunteer sucker junk trees, and put them in a dumpster from Western Roll-Off. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be cool, and hopefully it's 100 something, because that thing has air conditioning, and I'm gonna sit my butt in there and enjoy the day. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. You guys are the best. Hope your week's rad. Woo! Cap